3D printing has been very expensive and inaccessible until recently. It all started with an interest of how to integrate technology into day-to-day orthopedic care. At the moment, we're printing our patient's anatomy. Now we can rehearse the procedure before the patient even comes to a hospital. The fact that people can walk into Tygerberg Hospital off the street and benefit from a technology that used to be out there in the realm of private healthcare is quite a major achievement. The use of technology like this is definitely helping bridge the gap between quality of healthcare in state and in private. The thing I find most exciting about medical 3D printing is that we're just starting. South Africa's got a lot to be proud of when it comes to our healthcare.